Following solutions are prepared by mixing different volumes of NaOH and HCl of different concentrations, right? So, pH of which of them will be equal to 1? So, we have to basically solve every of these with respect to a formula, right? So, MEQ of HCl is 75 into 1 by 5 into 5. 1 is 15, and of that of NaOH is 25 into 1 by 5 into 1 is 5. Right, so therefore resulting MEQ of HCl is 10, right? That is 15 minus 5. Now molarity of H plus in the resulting mixture is given as 10 divided by 100. This value divided by 100. That will give us as 1 by 10. Now the pH is given by the formula minus 10 minus log H plus ions is equal to, we'll be taking this H plus, this will be taking the molarity. Okay, right? So minus log 1 upon 10, that will give you the value of 1.0. So therefore option 3, that is 75 ml of M by 5 HCl plus 25 ml of M by 5 NaOH will give you a pH of equal to 1, right? Option C is correct.